Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have a work or school Microsoft account and a stable network. Once done, open your browser and navigate to the SharePoint site URL or locate the team site in the Microsoft 365 app launcher. Make sure OneDrive for Windows is installed and up to date. This is how SharePoint folders will show in File Explorer. You're doing this because syncing makes desktop access seamless and gives you offline access when needed. So get the site open now. Next, navigate to the Documents library on the SharePoint site and click the Sync button. This tells OneDrive to create a local link. When prompted, sign in with the same work account and confirm the OneDrive app will open. You'll be asked which folders to sync. Pick only what you need to save space. Make sure to set or confirm the local folder location in File Explorer. This controls where the site appears on your desktop and why files show up under your organization's folder tree. Finally, open File Explorer and locate the synced SharePoint library under OneDrive. Your organization's name will prefix the folder. You can pin critical folders to quick access and right-click files to make them always available offline. This completes desktop access and mirrors permissions from SharePoint so sharing behaves consistently. If something goes wrong, sign out and back into OneDrive, confirm your account has site permissions. Then restart the OneDrive client or reset its cache. That single troubleshooting step resolves most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.